Okay, I will be going to the QBasic. You can see this. This is the QBasic and you will get a QBasic window. Now if I press escape, I'm going to clear my screen and I will get a QBasic interface. This whole thing is known as a QBasic interface. At the top of the window, you can see file, edit, view, search. This is known as QBasic menu. Alright. Oh, this is the QBasic menu and the other options. You will click on any of this and you will go for further selections like new, open, save. You can go for edit, view, search. This is how the menu will be shown, whatever you want to do in this. Okay. Now, so the menu, the area, this is the area where the program will be written. Okay, suppose I am writing print hello. See, every time I'm writing, I'll get an OK over here. Okay. When I'm going to run this, this is my run, start. Creating .exe file, means executive file. This is going to execute. So, it's being scrolled, it's running and see. Untitled, did you see this? This is a hello. This is where it will be, this is my output screen basically, the black one. Since I have written print hello, that is why it is writing hello. There are more commands, so we will come to know about it. So let's get started. This is basic how we write a program. This is my status bar where I can see this OK, or this whole thing wherever instructions are OK or not, whether I've written any mistake. This is where I'm going to get this. This is called a status bar. Everything is given on page 130. Now there are some file commands. Some file command is that let us start with rem. Okay, rem rem. What is rem? Rem to add two numbers. Rem is basically to show that what we are going to do. So there is nothing, this is not a part of an input or a printout. It is just a part of writing to make us understand what we are about to do. Next I am going to write, suppose input is not there, so I will write print. I'm going to give a quotes, and inside the quote I am going to write the first number. Okay, and I'm going to give a quotes like this. Wait. 20. Okay. Next, print. If I write like this normal, it is not going to show. I have to write within quotes. Okay. The second number, 30. Quotes close. Print the sum is. Is it getting clicked? Is it getting highlighted? No, that means I'm making an error. Print a always I should write within quotes. See, here this has already been used. Print the sum is 50. I am not making it correct. That is why there is no OK symbol. If I write it like this, and if I go forward and add my quotes, then it is showing OK. Clear? This is how we are going to verify, and this is how they are verifying line by line. End means end of the program. Okay, so basically it's a print function. I'm just showing you how we are printing a thing. Start, or we can directly press F5 and shift. Creating the .exe file. See, the first number 20. Why it is showing like this? Because I have written exactly in this format. The first number 20. The second number 30. I have written to within the quotes the form which I have written, the same form it will be written. The sum is 50 because 20 plus 30 is 50. They are not doing any calculation. Okay. Press any key to continue. I've pressed space. Suppose I write over here as the sum is 60. Creating again the exe file. But the computer is so silly because it does not understand. Print means it is just printing 60. Is 20 plus 30 60? No, it's 50. But since I have written a print command, whatever I am going to write, this will show me as exactly that. It is not going to check over here. Print command does not have any checking option. So that's all about print. Thank you.